Now, over the years, Instacart has had a love-hate relationship with the shoppers. From scarce batches to low-paying batches and everything in between, shoppers have been wondering, well, is it even worth it anymore? Now, let's be real here, Instacart really hasn't been helping their case. But with these recent updates, it looks like they're actually trying to erase their bad image that they built over the last few years. It actually looks like they're putting the shoppers first for once. Now, one of the biggest changes that they're bringing forward to help put more money in your pocket is the tip protection feature. Now, basically what this means is that if you are ever tip baited, but there's no problems with the order, Instacart will cover up to $10 of the tip that was supposed to be on your order. Now, again, the only catch is there has to be no issues with the order. So if the customer took away the tip because maybe you forgot some of their items or maybe you weren't communicating with them, they're not gonna cover you. But if the customer just pulled the tip away for no reason whatsoever, Instacart will reimburse you up to $10 of that tip. Not the total earnings of the tip, which is even better. Just don't forget, there can't be any issues with the order. As long as it's good, you're good. Now, another big change that they're making is that they're actually giving you faster access to your earnings. Now, what are the details on this one? Well, the customer now has only 2 hours to decrease the tip if there's any issues, but they still have 2 weeks to increase the tip if they're feeling generous. Therefore, giving more incentive for the shopper to give better service in exchange for more money. Now, that's cool and all, but you guys remember when Instacart used to pay you $3 for every 5-star rating? Yeah, I know. That was a little while ago. Now, Instacart's not bringing that back, but they're actually introducing something that's even more sweeter. So what they're doing now is, on the customer side of the platform, when a customer rates you 5 stars, it's no longer just a meaningless metric. Now, when they rate you 5 stars, the customer will then be prompted to leave a higher tip if they feel inclined to. Again, making the batches more worth it to do and giving you more of an incentive to provide a better service, to communicate with the customer, and to make sure the batch is done correctly. Now, these are huge strides that Instacart's making, but there's more announcements to come. The next 2 months, Instacart will be making even more announcements and more upgrades to the Instacart platform to make it an even better experience for the shopper and the customer. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys found value in this information, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll have more videos like this coming very soon, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.